the touch panel to make Touch the touch panel to make the screen active. Press on the hash symbol to go to the employee verification screen. Punch the 6-digit employee access card number embossed behind the access card. Your access card Your access card is now authenticated as you find your alias display on the screen. It will take you to the next screen. Press on the hash key. It's not showing. Now you are on product selection screen. Press the product code using the keypad display and press enter. Wait for the Vend tab to display on the screen. Now press on the Vend tab. You can find the selected product dispensation. Collect the product from the collection bin at the bottom. More time has to go.